I'm really excited because we are going to be testing something together for the very first time. We were sent this composter for our review, and I could not be more excited because one of our major goals for 2024 is less waste, and this is really going to help us do that. A couple of things that you need to know why I love this thing is it is so small in comparison to when you think of composting years ago, those huge massive bins. This can actually just sit on your countertop year round. So if you live somewhere cold with winter, you can be doing this 24/7, 365, no problem. It is meant to be odorless. It is meant to be quite quiet, not making a lot of noise. One thing you do need to know is there were lots of stickers around here, so you need to make sure when you open it out of the package, you peel all of those things off. You don't want to leave anything behind. Very simple. You have this carbon filter right here, and this is what is replaceable. So you have it like that, and it just pops right in. So you've got that there, and then on the back, there is just this little piece here that collects the condensation, which you would want to empty that out every now and again. But other than that, super simple. You've got this push button here. You're going to open that up, and inside we have 2.5 liters. So the composting can take anywhere between as little as 2 hours, but up to 8 hours, just depending on what's in here and how much, of course. So all you're gonna do, what we're gonna do together is, again, this is gonna be a little cut here, and we're gonna come back to see how that goes. These are all my veggie scraps. I made a delicious soup today, and I kept those scraps instead of throwing them in the garbage. And as you can see, this is pretty full, so I am going to keep track of how long this takes. All you have to do is close the lid, and it's beeping because it's saying we're plugged in, we're ready. You have your power button, and then it just starts on its own, and it's gonna go through all of the process. Once you are done, you even have a self-cleaning mode, so I don't even have to clean this out myself. I cannot wait. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna let it do its thing, and we're gonna check back in with you when it's done. I can't even begin to tell you how shocked I am. I plugged this in around 9:30 a.m. and at 1 p.m. it was beeping to tell me it was done. I opened it, I said absolutely not. I have used other machines where it has taken 24 hours, overnight, whatever it may be. This a couple of hours, and you saw that full bucket of all of my food scraps, and look at it now. It is perfectly composted, ready for me to put this in the garden. So many nutrients for anything that I'm trying to grow. This thing is awesome.